Hi, I'm Scott Kuboff, a dental malpractice attorney with the law firm of Ibold and O'Brien. I just got off the phone with a potential client who had a pretty common question, so I thought it made some sense to make a video. Of course, that question is, do I have a case? Now, there's a couple things that I take a look at least with an initial phone call, as it relates to whether or not it's something I want to review. First, take a look at whether or not there's going to be any issues related to the statute of limitations or statute of repose. Now, a discussion on that kind of goes beyond the scope of this video, and I encourage you to take a look at my videos specifically on those issues. But let's assume there is no issue with the statute of limitation or statute of repose. The next is really just two questions. Was the dentist negligent, and how have you been damaged? Now, to answer the first question, we would need to review your records and have an expert take a look at it as well. But assuming for a second that we could prove the doctor or dentist was negligent, the next question that really matters is, how have you been damaged? What is the nature and extent of your injury? What type of treatment is required to correct it? How much is that going to cost you out of your pocket? Is this something that is temporary, or is it permanent? What are the other harms and losses that you have sustained and endured as a result of this? Those are a lot of things that we need to kind of come to grips with very quickly to determine whether or not it's something we want to review. Given the time and expense that we would put into a case, it really needs to be on good footing in terms of the liability and specifically on the damages component. So if you think you may have a dental malpractice case, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 440-285-3511. I'm at extension 220. Or you can also send me an email, scott@iboldobrien.com.